Yeah, my name is Simon Keogh. I'm a senior architect with Coady Architects, and I'm also part of the Coady Sustainability Group. As we're all talking about carbon, you can understand that reduction in hot water use has a direct impact on stage B7 in the LCA life cycle assessment process. So that's like critically from a reduction of carbon perspective, that's important. And it's a kind of an interesting journey because to determine to get to the figure that we've targeted, which is 75 litres per person per day in the RAI Climate Challenge, I took it upon myself to purchase a few restrictors. I put them into my home to see what we could get away with in terms of shower flow rates. So I started with, you're out of the box 16 litres per person, or 16 litres per minute. And I just reduced that over about 3 months, and I got down to 4 litres per minute flow rate. And then all my kids and my wife started to complain. So I pushed that back up to 5, and I didn't get any complaints. And then what we did there was, that's the kind of sweet spot that I felt that was practical, because you've got to deliver practical solutions. And then we've rolled that out over 500 houses, and we've built about 250 so far, no complaint. And these are really cheap, really cheap ways to actually lower your carbon, lower your water usage, get high credits in green certification, and they're really easy to install as well. So just a level of granular detail there on wash hand basins. We tested out again a whole load of restrictors, and we came up with actually the restrictor of 1.89 litres per minute on a restrictor that has an actual high dispersal rate on it. And the interesting thing about that is that the perception that there's a lot of water that's coming out is there. So therefore we're getting no complaints over that, because the appearance that there's a lot of water, but in actual fact there isn't. Absolutely critical to measure what the actual usage is on site. But the proof of the pudding in terms of delivering the RAI Climate Challenge and the target in that of 75 litres per person per day is you've got to take a measurement at the meter in front of the house. So it's a vital part of designing for performance, which is to go back afterwards and check those results. So it's a really good way to verify not only as I said, the flow rates, but also the overall result.